Za kuwatambua viongozi wanawake katika jamii, wito umezidi kutolewa kuwapa fursa ya kuongoza katika nyadhifa mbalimbali. Wakizungumza baada ya kuongoza kongamano lililowaleta pamoja viongozi wa kike katika hoteli moja kaunti ya Machakos, viongozi hao wanawake wanadai wamekuwa wakitengwa kwa muda mrefu na ni lazima serikali ipate mwafaka kuhusu uongozi wao katika jamii.
I empower single women who have either been widowed or divorced to ensure that they have income generating activities.
So we are here today to bring together women parliamentarians from Kenya just to check through and see where we are at, especially with the 13th parliament and their performance in the first 1 year. And beyond that, just to critically look at, the gaps and the opportunities where we can enhance women's political participation, especially in the legislation.
We are here to team up to see what are our contributions in the political space, in terms of legislation, in terms of representation, in terms of formulating bills, in terms of presenting motions and statements.
My advice to the women who are running for the first time, you may have been in a field and you may have excelled in that field. When you come to the political field, take time to learn. Don't ignore the ones who have been there twice or 3 times. Ask someone to hold your hand. It doesn't show that you are lesser when you ask for advice.
Shirika la kimataifa la kutetea haki za